Good morning, Mr. O'Connor, staff, newly appointed prefect team, and boys. Firstly, I'd like to extend my congratulations to the prefect group. I know that I, alongside Deputy Head Prefect Charles Howlett and Senior Prefects Kohatu McQueen, Charles Ferron, Caleb Wagner, and Lockie Clowens, are excited to make the most of this year. Understand that this is the beginning of a new responsibility, not the end, and I look forward to seeing what we can achieve together. Yesterday, our new third formers received their classes, marking them officially introduced to how grammar operates. I hope these classes work well for you and you are happy with where you sit. For those of you disappointed with where you have ended up, acknowledge that this is not something to dwell on. You have the ability to work hard and move up in grammar. This school is competitive, and if you put effort into it, you will be rewarded for your time. I only know the grammar way, but last year I visited Laos alongside 20 other boys as part of the school's geography trip. Laos is an extremely poor nation, and while we were in the country, we managed to connect with some children at a local school. One thing in particular that really stood out to me was their approach to learning. While they may have had less, they came to school with a really positive attitude towards what was on offer, because it was a privilege. This was something I took away and reflected on over the trip. It helped me to understand exactly that. School is a privilege. It can be easy to miss opportunities when they are so readily available to us. To my 7th form cohort, this year marks the start of the end of our time at grammar. These past 4 years have flown by already, so be sure to make the most of what this year has to offer. I hope that most of you would like to leave school knowing you maximised every opportunity. So be sure to finish strongly as we look towards our final year. Throughout our time at grammar, we often hear the phrase, "Who are you?" It is something that grammar aims to teach every student before they walk out those school gates for the last time. I've come to realise that grammar plays such an important part in shaping who we are. There is a special feeling when you support on the sidelines or perform at a top level representing your school, or even just wear your uniform properly, and that feeling is pride. Pride is not something that can be bought, and it comes from years of heritage and grammar boys before us. So be proud to represent the line. Stand up tall and be a part of the community that makes this school what it is. The more you involve yourself, the more you will feel it. This year, we will each have our own set of new challenges. It might be making that class, or that sports team, or even that friend. I encourage all of you to have the courage to approach things head on with a good attitude. Lean on the community around you, and surround yourselves with those that push you to be your best self. And as our motto translates, through narrows to heights, greatness doesn't come without hard work. Embrace 2025, and I look forward to seeing you all around school in our 156th year. Per Augusta, ad Augusta.